Hello student, today we are going to study about the basics of ray optics for class 10th. See, what are the main objectives got CBSE board wants us from class 10th? What is that? See, they want to know that do we have knowledge of concave and convex mirror. See, this is basically a concave mirror. This is what? A convex mirror. And we should know the basic parts of the mirror. What's that? See, this is basically the pole, the midpoint of the mirror. Then there comes focus. Then we have a center curvature. See, what is center curvature? Center of curvature. See, basically, let us suppose we have a ball like this. From this we cut out this part, this sphere. The radius of this sphere is basically the center of curvature. Means it is center of a sphere. It is center of sphere of which mirror is part. It could be either concave mirror or convex mirror. Next, we'll move on to how the ray diagrams are drawn. See, what we do is that when we take a concave mirror, this is basically pole and the center curvature are drawn. This is called principal axis. What we do is that when we draw large number of parallel lines to the principal axis, what will happen? See, all this line will basically, this all ray will be converging to a point called focus in case of concave mirror. Clear? Now, suppose this is focus, this is the central curvature. Suppose we draw a line like this to the surface of mirror. What will happen? That it will return back to the same line. When a ray passes through the center curvature to the surface of mirror, it will return back. It will retrace its path. Now, let us suppose if a ray passes to the focus, what will happen? It will come out parallel to the principal axis. And according to CBSE, we should know what are the different type of images formed when they are placed at different positions. How come? See, let us suppose we have concave mirror and this is what? This is focus, this is center curvature. Suppose we place an object which is beyond C. What will happen? When we draw a line parallel to the principal axis, passes through the focus, and when we pass through the center curvature, it will retrace its path. So, when object is placed beyond C, what happens? Image is formed between C and F. It is real, inverted and diminished. Then suppose we go for like when a object is placed at center of curvature, then what will happen? See, when the line is drawn parallel to the principal axis, it passes to the focus, and when it passes to the focus, it will come to this point. So what happens? When object is placed at center curvature, the image is also formed at that point. Object at C, image is also formed at C, real, inverted and same size. Next, what we do is that we can have like object is placed between center curvature and focus. What will happen? See, if an object is placed over here, what will happen? It will pass through the focus, and what we can do is that, let us suppose we pass through this, it's coming out to the like this. Means when object is placed between C and R, image is formed beyond C. Beyond C, it is real, inverted and magnified. Then we have when we place object between focus and pole. What will happen to that? When we place, one more case is that this is our focus, this is our center curvature. When we place object at focus, what will happen? If a line is on parallel to the principal axis, passes through the focus, and we draw it like this, it is coming back to the same path. So, an object image is formed at infinity. When object is at F, image is real, inverted, highly magnified and at infinity. Then we can do for like when object is placed between C and F. See, this is our pole. See, this is focus, this is center curvature, and when we have placed the object between focus and the pole, see what will happen. Over here it comes like this. So they do not intersect. What we do is that we extend this line, dotted line, beyond this mirror, behind this mirror, and what we get is when object is between F and P, image is what? Virtual, erect, behind mirror and magnified. See, now we can move on to another type of mirror, that is convex mirror. See, in the case of convex mirror, what we have, when we draw a large number of lines, this is pole, this is center curvature, this is focus, this is center curvature. When we draw a large number of parallel lines parallel to the principal axis, what will happen? It will appear to be diverging from the focus. See what happens? It appears to be diverging from the focus. And suppose we draw a line, this is focus, this is our center curvature. When we draw, see, this is polished over here. What you do is that it is intended toward center curvature. Then what will happen? It will reflect back to the same path. It will retrace its path. Now we'll go for it has only one cases. Whatever might be the position, it will always form virtual, erect, and diminished. When object is placed in front of concave mirror, see what will happen. It appears to be diverging from the focus, and let us suppose we pass on like this, which is intended to touch the center curvature. Then we retrace this path and we draw the dotted line. The image is formed over here. P dash, this is the object. See, when object is placed in front of convex mirror, then what is the position of image? Image is virtual, erect, diminished, and between pole and focus. These are the various ray diagram which are supposed to know for appearing in the class 10th physics exam, and these are the only related to the concave and convex mirror, and we'll meet in the next class about the lenses. Thank you.